Hey everyone, and welcome to Customer History for WooCommerce Introduction. Ever feel like you're playing detective with your WooCommerce customers? Trying to piece together their purchase history, their preferences, all those little clues scattered across your dashboard? It's like a digital scavenger hunt, right? Well, the game is over. Introducing Customer History for WooCommerce. This powerful plugin puts all your customer data right at your fingertips, organized, accessible, and ready to help you boost sales and build stronger customer relationships. No more digging, no more guesswork, just pure customer insight gold. Imagine this. You can see exactly what Sally bought last Christmas, how many times John contacted support, and which products are trending with your VIP customers. This isn't just data. It's a superpower. And the best part? This plugin is incredibly easy to use. We'll cover everything in this 4-part video series, from installation and setup to advanced segmentation and reporting. So, hit that subscribe button and get ready to unlock the full potential of your customer data. Let's turn those digital breadcrumbs into a customer relationship feast.